Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Love Pakistan, World Pakistan, and I'm Aziz. And we continue to bike ride, Biker Life video part 11. Yesterday I got so tired after 18 hours bike ride, and I slept from 6 in the evening till midnight. Then after dinner, afterwards I slept till morning, and I lost the day count, what day it is. So today is Sunday, and I already left the group behind, continued my journey alone now, and see how far I can go alone. And I will show you the most beautiful places, pictures. I will be uploading my pictures on Instagram, and I'll be posting my videos on YouTube and my Facebook page, Love Pakistan, World Pakistan. So continue watching me, like me, share my page, and I will show you how far I can go in the mountains. Now, me Aziz. Assalamu alaikum.